Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and ever since we did the Leandro project a little while ago, I've been keeping a very close eye on our video comments, specifically looking for viewer suggestions for new experiments. And I found one yesterday that's picking up a decent amount of traction. It comes from a guy named Matt who says, I would love to see you guys try a blended base with a pearl on top. Maybe a deep red starting out at the front, blending into a deep purple at the back. Then do whatever pearl you want on top. I think it would make for a very interesting experiment. And I agree, very interesting. We've never done anything like that before, but something that scares me a little bit because fades are very difficult to get right. But I think we're up for the challenge today. So what I've got is the Mustang with an avalanche gray base. And what I'm thinking is cinnamon red Performance Series in the front of the car, fading into or blending into Concord purple in the back. And then as far as what pearl goes on top, I want to use Reptile Color Flip. Reptile's been around a very long time. We haven't used it in a while. And it's unique in the sense that it's a very bold gold pearl, but it flips a little bit to an amberish red at extreme angles. It's not as dramatic as a color shift, and that's why I want to use it. I think a blended two-color base with a color shift on top is just going to be too busy, too much going on, but Reptile should be perfect. So we're going to get right into the cinnamon red first, then the Concord, let the whole thing unravel. Hopefully it works out well. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're done with today's project, and I told Gabe going into this that the concept of the experiment scares me, but if we're able to pull it off, this could be one of the best end results that we've had in a long time, and this car looks freaking awesome. We're gonna go outside right now and check it out. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have tons of car kits and colors to choose from. Thank you, Matt, for this video idea. And everybody watching, I want to know what your video idea is. Leave a comment below. I know how creative you guys are, and I love doing experiments that come from the viewers. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. Let's go outside and check this thing out. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. I've tried really hard to keep an eye on our video comments, specifically looking for new video ideas. And I got one in front of me the other day, and I just lost it, and I f***ed that up. Blending into a deep purple in the back, and then do any pearl you want on top. I think it would make blending into Concord grape in the back of the car. Is it grape? Is it grape or just Concord? And I'm thinking Cinnamon Gray Performance Series. Cinnamon Gray, what the f***? Fonzie, thank you for watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. Thank you, Matt, for the suggestion. I don't know the rest of it.